MusicPlusTV.com. We are the people. That's what's up, yo. I'm kicking it right now, man. Introduce yourself in case they don't know who you are.
Yo, what's up, man? It's the Killah Priest, the Iron Sheik from the Middle East. I'm almost there, so prepare and say peace. You know what I mean? Wu-Tang Clan.
That's what's up. Repping for how many? I mean, like,
yo, for
years,
over 10 years, man. We just been doing it up, man. Word.
What's the new What's the new business, man? Why you out here on the West?
Just promoting the new album, man. I'm out here doing shows with Jizza and the RZA, and promoting my new album, getting started, mixing it down and everything. It's called The Offering. You know what I mean? Got Nas on there. It got Immortal Technique on there, so it's gonna be that conscious rap.
Who did some of the production on it?
I got a couple of productions on there. I got Fourth Disciple. I went back and teamed up with him. I got my man Shakim. I got Jizza's son coming through with some beats.
What label that's dropping on?
That's gonna be on Through Traffic. It's gonna be distributed by our own label, so it's gonna come out on Proverbs.
Yeah. So it's kind of indie. Y'all just got a distribution deal.
Exactly.
That's what's up. Keep it independent,
exactly.
man. What's actually the last release that we heard? You know what I'm saying, from Killah Priest?
Black August probably was my last song. Black August Revisited. So that came out on Recon. I put that out. You know what I mean? So that was the last joint. That was in 2004, I believe. So I got some time.
Independently too?
Independently, yeah.
That's what's up, man.
So I got some time under my belt, but this time is gonna be some good. When I drop this album, it's gonna be some heavy stuff on there. Yeah.
So this is one thing I can actually say about the Wu. That I gotta give it up. That you guys stayed together. So what kept y'all together? Because I know some of the gods, like you yourself, some of the gods are God bodies. You know, study the 5% wisdom. Some of the gods are Muslims, and some of the gods are Hebrew Israelites.
Right, exactly.
So I mean, that's like three different faiths. Like how y'all do it, man? What's good with that?
Yo, man, it's just unity. Everybody came together for one common cause,
which is the music.
It's the music, and you know, music is a universal
language, right there.
Universal language. So everybody just came in, and I think having so many different religious backgrounds and spiritual backgrounds, and it helped because everybody was in there just building, and everybody just doing one thing. I mean, everybody agreed that mathematics is it. You know what I mean?
Last words, shout outs, anything?
Yeah, man.
You
get the
offering
album when it dropped. Man, the offering's coming out in August. It's going to be incredible. Next after that is called Behind the Stained Glass.
Zulu, Wu-Tang, we the people. MusicPlusTV.com.